So what's up guys, it's James Afante, also known as Kuya James, and now James Ripeno. And today, we're talking about one of the cutest, most nostalgic, and pinaka-trending na gadget of 2026. This is the Kodak Charmera keychain camera. Yes, it's literally a keychain, it's a real camera, and yes, it's everywhere viral right now. It's tiny, it's fun, it's aesthetic, and for some reason, ang hirap po niyang bilhin sa labas, and it's super nostalgic. And at the end of this video guys, we're giving away 3 Kodak Charmera cameras, so make sure to watch until the end. Let's go! So, unbox muna natin siya. We're actually very blessed. Sobrang hirap makakuha na to right now, guys. And nakakuha tayo, guys, ng isang buong box. Grabe. So, from the box itself, guys, as you can see here, guys, this is the designs. As you can see, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And there's a secret model. So, para po siyang labubo, guys. Meron siyang secret model, which I believe is the transparent one. And I hope makuha natin siya in this video. So, there's 7 photo filters integrated sa camera to, which actually can help you bring back the whatever nostalgia, guys, na kailangan ninyo. Meron siyang 4 photo frames, no? Na template para, again, for more nostalgia effect. So, sa likod naman, nandito yung mga specs niya, product specification. So, it has a image sensor, CMOS. Okay, CMOS pala yung image sensor niya. Storage, guys, kailangan natin ng micro SD, which actually is compatible siya 1GB to 128GB. So, take note of that, guys. So hindi mo to kailangan lagyan ng malaking micro SD kasi nga, maliit lang po siyang camera. Dimensions, guys, nandito naman siya sa likod. So, weight at 30 grams only. Oh my goodness, sobrang gaan, grabe. And it has a USB-C plug. So, tara, without further ado, unbox na natin, let's go. So, hindi ko sisirain yung box na ito, guys, kasi nga, ipapamigay natin, guys, yung tatlo dito. And then yung tatlo, para naman sa akin naman yun, guys. Para meron din ako. Kasi super duper, like, in-anticipate ko talaga tong Kodak Charmera camera na to. And guys, by the way, kung nagtataka kung bakit Charmera yung pangalan na ito, guys, this is actually Charm Era. Charm Era po siya. Oh, lesson learned, for sure, di mo alam yon. So, unbox natin yung first one. Let's get it done. Pilasin ko na ba, guys? Ayaw ko siya pilasin, eh. Pero sige, pilasin na natin. Whoop! I hope we got the secret. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this one, we got the... So, meron siyang card. Okay. Parang labubo nga talaga, bro. Parang labubo siya. May QR code sa likod. And... here we have the first ever. Meron siyang ano tawag dito ulit? Yung... Viewfinder. May viewfinder siya, guys. Ang cute niya. Oh my goodness. So, first look, may shutter dito sa taas. Meron ditong, I think, power button to. This is the camera itself. Is this a flash? It's actually a flash. And then, there's a viewfinder. Sa ilalim yung micro SD. Maybe this is a reset button and a Type-C. And so far, may speaker siya dito sa gilid. And I think this involves a keychain. So check natin, guys. Okay, so it has a cable included and a keychain. Wow! Oh my goodness, so ganito siya, guys. There you go. First one. Okay, next. Let's unbox the next one, guys. Alam kong excited na kayo. Bilhin mo natin to dito. I really cannot believe, guys, na pati mga camera right now sumabay na po sa trend. And, oh, this one naman, guys, iba yung package niya. Meron siyang parang flyers, no? Okay, this is the OG. Oh, yun na. Pinakita na po nila yung secret edition. So, this is the secret edition. Again, I hope we got that. Meron siyang history dito. Shoot with your charm. Oh, sabi ko sa inyo, guys, sa Charm Era, it fits in your palm, inspired by the Kodak Fling Form the 1980s. So, I believe, guys, yung quality nito is like very, very similar sa 1980s. We're gonna move forward. Of course, it has a card. This is the classic, I believe, design. Yung mga pangalan ba yung design niya? Tama ba? Meron siya name dito like Type 01, Type 02, Type 03, Type 04, Type 05, Type 06. So, wala siyang mga unique names. They just call this the OG one. So, ito siya. I like this color, to be honest. So, next, let's put this aside. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay. Wala yung kanina. We got the black version. This is the black version, guys. As you can see, guys. Appreciate the Kodak Charmera. And then... bulungan mo nga, bro. Sana makuha natin yung secret. Come on, come on, come on. Hindi ko titignan. Kasi transparent po yung yung acrylic na sa loob, eh. Oh, we got the red. The red is actually also really nice. Ang ganda rin ng red, guys. Ang ganda ng red. Ang hirap mamili. Actually, kaya ako siya binili lahat, eh. Pero, since nandiyan kayo, lahat, guys,
Pwede pabulungan kay MJ yan.
Ito? MJ, Lapit ka dito. Pakita mo sa MJ, pakita mo sa MJ. Halika dito, lapit ka. Yung ating camera. MJ, bulong mo. Yan. Rinig yun? Okay. MJ, sana swertein ka, MJ. Pag transparent to, palitan natin cellphone MJ game. Ay! Okay, kasi pakita mo yung cellphone, basag eh. Pakita mo yung cellphone eh. Ito yung cellphone pre, basag oh. Basag yung cellphone, Realme pa dati. Sige, tira natin. MJ, pagdasal mo MJ. Tutok yung camera niya ngayon oh. Tutok yung camera. Wait lang. Ah, no! Sorry, MJ. So, we got the white one. Kawawa lang si MJ. We got the white one here. Ang ganda rin niya. Ang ganda nila lahat. Okay! Last one! Hen! Ang ating editor! Hen! Eto, Hen, bili ka ba ibigay kay MJ?
Oo naman.
Okay, lagay.
Gray.
Buksan natin! Ito na, boy! Oh my goodness. Ito na. MJ! Tutukan mo, MJ! MJ, ready ka na? Wala kang cellphone! So we got the gray here, guys. Sayang we didn't get the transparent. Oh, man. So this is the whole collection of the Charmera, guys. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo. Napakaganda nila, guys. Like, super handy. Like, isipin mo in my palm. Wow, my palm. Kasya po silang 6. Grabe, napakaganda. So this tiny camera is trending again because it brings back the 1980s to 2000s vibe. Alam mo yung mga lumang mga digital cameras noon, the soft blur, the warm tones na parang this is exactly how my brain remembers this moment, ika nga. That's what the Charm era is about. It's not designed to be sharp or perfect. It's designed to feel like a memory. So aesthetics first and yung mga specs na matataas, later na yun. So what makes the Kodak Charmera special, guys, is actually, again, this is a legit keychain size. Like, ganito siya kaliit. Again, it has a retro-style photo colors, built-in nostalgic filters, a toy camera shutter sound, guys, pag pinindot ninyo, photo plus video recording, guys, which is mamaya, ipapakita natin sa iyo, guys, yung mga sample, USB-C charging. So, hindi mo na siya kailangan lagyan, actually, guys, ng battery or AA or AAA, guys. Kasi nga, maliit na nga siya, super lightweight, and it's a wearable collectible. This is not a content creator camera, guys, ha. It's a capture the moment just because it's a cute camera, and honestly, ang saya niya gamitin. Now, let's talk about the design, guys, again, guys. Kasi dito naging irresistible si Charmera. It looks like a tiny, vintage, point-and-shoot camera with pastel color options, mini retro lens, cute round shutter button, a keychain loop, and aesthetic toy camera design. It's actually easily becomes part of your bag accessory, guys. So, medyo laos na yung labubo, guys. Pag sinabit mo to, actually talaga, pag-uusapan ka talaga sa labas. And here are some sample photos, guys. Papakita ko, guys, on your screen. So, grabe, no? Napaka-nostalgic niya tignan. Grabe, ang saya niya talaga gamitin. And here's some videos, actually, papakita ko sa inyo. Yung frame rate niya, no? Parang mabagal talaga siya. Like, parang nakakamiss lang talaga makita yung mga gandong klase mga videos na hindi smooth, very stuttery. There's vintage blur, there's warm dreamy tones, there's soft grain. Video that looks like a movie flashbacks. It's not perfect, but that's actually why it's called Charmera, which is charming. So the reason bakit sobrang pumuputok to right now at nagva-viral to, guys, people realize that not all content needs to be HD or 4K. Sometimes you want something that actually feels personal, what we call. Celebrities, students, couples, mga travelers, lahat sila, guys, ginagamit to document small moments. Kasi like, isang ganun talaga, guys, pasok agad. It makes even ordinary days look nostalgic and aesthetic. So honest review tayo, guys, ha. This is not a high performance camera. For sure, alam nyo naman yung lahat, guys. Pag sinabing like vintage and ganito kaliit, do not expect, guys, ha. Lahat kayo, do not expect a like high frame rate camera na malinaw. The video isn't stabilized. The photos aren't sharp. But actually, that's the point. This camera gives you imperfection that feels real, parang recorded memory, which a lot of people, for some reason, including me, love nowadays. If you want clarity, gamitin nyo po yung cellphone ninyo. But if you want vibes, the Kodak Charmera is the way to go. Now, the price, guys, okay. Sobrang sulit naman ito, guys, I can say. Right now, it ranges around, as of recording this video, 2,000 to 3,000 pesos right now in the Philippines. Pero don't worry, as soon as I post this video, I will attach a direct discount link below, guys, so you can get it cheaper or SRP ng legit at safe, guys. For the fun, the nostalgia, and the aesthetic, this is a, I can say, really super worth it little gadget and even one of the best gift ideas right now, 2026. So alright guys, giveaway time guys. So mamimigay tayo guys ng 3 Kodak Charmera guys para sa mga ating mga lucky subscriber guys. Pero before that, announce ko lang guys yung giveaway winner guys ng Insta360 X4 Air sa last videos natin guys. Kasi guys, actually namimigay po talaga tayo dito sa ating YouTube channel every time na meron tayong nire-review ng products guys. So kung sino ka man, ilalabas ko right now guys sa screen na to. Kung sino ka man, kung eto ka, i-message mo po yung FB page namin, Kuya James Afante with blue check mark to claim your prize. And kita-kits po and congratulations sa'yo. So we're giving away again 3 Kodak Charmera cameras guys. So paano guys sumali? Simple lang. Like this video, comment down below what moment would you capture with the Kodak Charmera. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and winner will be announced in the next videos guys. And also place again the best price guys sa direct discount link if ever kailangan po ninyo in the description below. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. And now, James 3.0. See you on the next one. Peace out.